Hello everyone, welcome back to another N8N tutorial video. This is gonna be a quick simple video where I'm going to be showing you the chatbot I created for my website, and this is gonna be a really simple build for you. Anyone can do that, but you can always tweak something. So without wasting any time, let's go to the video. So first of all, like there are a few steps here, right? So this is the chatbot. That's pretty simple. Like I used a chat trigger. This is the AI agent, the AI chat model, the simple memory. And then here, this is where something fun happened because I'm using Superbase Vector Store for my information because I find this interesting, but you can always use the system message for this as well. So let me show you what I have done in the beginning. All right. So at first, I used a Google Drive trigger. All right. So using that trigger, I uploaded a file about myself because this is for my personal website. So as you can see, here's the personal information like I gathered using, and then like I download the file, right? As you can see, it's here, and you can easily configure. And I think you guys know how to add your file to Superbase Vector Store, but if you don't, let me know in the comments and I will show you how it's done. And then when I download the file, all I had to do is upload the file into the Google Drive, right? And then like I had to pick open a embedding model and default data loader, like that's pretty easy, right? And then here comes the fun part. I used a chat trigger and then I used an AI agent, right? The settings, they're pretty simple. Like I'm using a system message. I will show it to you in a second. And then like I'm using a open router chat model like 401 mini. And then like I'm using a simple memory for context with 5, right? And then I am using Superbase Vector Store for retrieving data, right? And then here comes the data information, like you can select, all right, this is the document, this is the limit, and then everything is here, right? And that's pretty it, all right? But here's the fun part. So how do you integrate this to your website? As you can see, I'm using system.io for my website or sales funnel, whatever you can say, right? So all you have to do in the beginning when you have this chat trigger, right? You will double click here and then you will have this something like this. All right. So all you have to do is make chat publicly available, right? And then it will be selected as hosted chat. So you will be only able to chat with this one, right? And as you can see, it says, hey, my name is Nathan, right? And then you can select the embedded chat and that's it, right? So all you have to do is copy this chat link, right? That's the first step. And then everything is here laid out, right? Follow the instructions. So you click here, right? It will take you to this website and everything is here. As you can see, you don't have to read everything so long. So all you have to do is look for cnd embed, all right? And then you just copy and then you paste it here. So let me show it to you where I'm going. So I'm in my system.io, like that's my old account. So I go to sales funnel, I go here, I go to this edit page. So all you have to do is come here and you select raw HTML, all right? And then you copy it because I already have this one. So I'll just select one. And then as you can see, edit code. So all you have to do is paste it here. So if you look at my settings and this one, it's a bit different because I changed my AI chatbot name as Baymax. If you know who Baymax is, you're welcome. So I took this chat here, all right, and then I pasted it to ChatGPT. I don't remember, like maybe it was ChatGPT or Claude or Gemini, like I don't remember. And you can ask, hey, keep the same uh, HTML code, but make the AI assistant name whatever you like. All right. So for me here, I'm using Baymax, and you can use your own. All right. So I'm not saving anything. So let me go to the website. So here's the website. This is my old website. So everything is here. It's old, but let me quickly chat. And then as you can see, there is the chat button. All right. So if I say, hey, it will reply, hey, how can I assist you today? Uh, as you can see, it is talking as my chat. All right. And let's say, so I just asked this a question and let's see what happens. Right. So yeah, like it gave a like pretty good and long story. All right. So yeah, like as you can see, like it works. So yeah, like you can easily use things for your own business. And also if you say like how to make coffee, so if you ask this irrelevant question, so it will not answer your question. All right, so it's, I'm here to help with information related to career and service. Like for coffee tips, like you can always go for the lifestyle website. And so because this is what I want for my AI chatbot, because I don't want this to talk about everything, and I'm sure you don't want to talk or chat with your like uh yeah chatbot with everything. All right, so what have I done in the N10? So it's mostly in the system message. All right, so if I show you the system message really quickly, so I said your Baymax. And also whenever you are having a AI chatbot or whatever, um, just give this in the date and time. And also if you hear some background noise, I'm sorry, like I live in a very crowded place, so yeah, I apologize. But here like I give this a, yeah, like just a simple uh, system message. You can always change, you can always go to chat GPT and Claude or whatever platform you have, and then you can just use this for your business or whatever you think is possible. All right, because the possibilities are endless. All right, and you can ask this to book a meeting for you. Like I can say, like the possibilities are endless. So yeah, like that's a quick simple video for you where you can like easily implement a chatbot for your business, for your website. And if you need any help, please feel free to ask in the comment, and I would love to help you out with that. All right, so that's it for today. Please subscribe for more videos. Signing off.